everybody, and welcome back to my channel. They finally updated the coupon preview that is coming out this Sunday, February 24th. I've been waiting for it, but they finally have multiple sites that have the previews on it. So what I do is I just do a coupon preview for whatever Sunday it's coming out. They usually come out on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So I'm here to share with you guys what we're getting. I think it's a pretty good week to get inserts, especially with P&G coming out also. So here, one thing I found is one website has 2 of the insert previews and another website has another 2, but they're missing 1. So what I'm going to do is the one that I'm showing you guys the insert preview is for ladiessavings.com. We have the Retail Me Not and Smart Source. And then the other one I think is Sunday Coupons, and we'll be showing you guys the preview or the P&G. So here we go. So we're getting $3 off Arnicare, Botanics, Chesto Honey, Caress Shower Foam, $2 off of 1. CoverGirl, 2, and 2. I see a lot of CoverGirl coupons a lot lately. Dove, Body Wash, Bar Soap, Shower Stuff, lots of Dove. I mean, it's a bunch of Dove. So if you guys are interested in getting Dove, here we got trash bags, which I like. We got the large black trash bags for $1 off of 1, and then the tall kitchen trash bags, $1 off of 1. Crud Cutter, $1 off of 1 or $2.50 off of 2. We're getting $1 off of 2 M&Ms. Preparation H. Suave Body Wash, $1 off of 2. Not the greatest coupon, but hey, we'll still take it. Tresemme, $2 off of 1. Tresemme Micro Mist, $3 off of 1. And then there's going to be a buy one Pro Collection shampoo, get one conditioner free up to $7. Now I'm thinking that's just the regular shampoo bottles. I mean, they do have a preview of what those look like. Yeah, it's just a regular bottles, so we could get some good deals with that. Here is going to be, well, that was a Red Plum. Here's the Smart Source. So we got Act, Kids, Airborne, Aleve, $3 off of 1, Allegra, Almay, we're getting a 3 off of 1. Now there was some coupons on coupons.com that we could use, but there is a 3 off of 1. Clairol, I see those coupons all the time. Colgate toothpaste, 50 cents off the toothpaste, $1 off the enamel or sensitive toothpaste, no mouthwash. Deslum Fiji Film. Oh, it's water. Never mind. Yeah, husband's gonna make fun of me now. So we got that. Gold Bond, a lot of Gold Bond coupons. Ladies Speed Stick, 50 cents off of 1. Land O'Lakes, Men's Speed Stick, 50 cents off of 1. Mucinex, Nasacort, Palmolive, we're getting a 50 cents off of 1. Rachel Ray, here is some Revlon Face, $3 off of 1. Revlon Lip, $2 off of 1. Sargento Cheese, Splenda, Total Wine, 15% off. Tropicana and Zyzil. And then here is what is in Sunday coupon inserts for the P&G. They just don't have Smart Source. But here we got, I'll just zoom in a little bit closer for you guys. Align, Always, we're getting $1 off of 1. Bounty, 25 cents off of 1. Cascade Action Packs, $1. Charmin Flushable Wipes, 25 cents. Charlemagne Toilet Paper, 25 cents. Crest 3D, 5. Crest Mouthwash, $1. Toothpaste for Crest is $2. That's a pretty good coupon. Dawn Sponge Packs, never heard of that, but 50 cents. Dawn Ultra, 75 cents. And then you got your regular Dawn dish soap that we usually get for $0.25. Febreze, now there's buy one, get one free. Now sometimes there are technical items that you can and cannot get with that, but they are buy one, get one free. We've been getting a lot of those coupons like crazy lately, which there's a pretty good, decent deal at Walgreens that I saw. Gillette, we got $1, $3, $1. Head and Shoulders, $1 off 1 product or 3 off of 2. Not the greatest deal, but hey. Herbal Essence Bio Renew, buy one, get one free. I love hearing that, so maybe we can get some good deals. Love's Diapers, $1. Metamucil, $1. Mr. Clean. Olay Bars, $1. Facial, $1. Old Spice, $1. Old Spice. Oral-B toothbrushes, we got $1. Pampers, we're getting $1.50 off the diapers and Easy Up, so hopefully we can get some good deals with that. Otherwise, there's a $3 off of 2, so it's pretty much the same coupon. Pantene, we got $1. We got 3 off of 2, and we have a 5 off of 3. Pantene Styler, $2 off. The Pepto Bismol, 50 cents. Puffs, we're getting 25 cents off of that. I haven't seen a Puffs coupon for a while. Secret, $1. Swiffer, $2. Tampax, $1. Venus razors, $3 for the Venus and Daisy disposables. Or just a regular razor is $1. Vicks, $1. Vicks. So that is what is coming out in this Sunday's paper. I do recommend getting inserts, especially with the P&G, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.